All right, let's do this. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to completely change how you use AI. Seriously, we're going from just messing around with it to making you a power user who gets exactly what they want every single time. Ready? Let's jump in.
And look, let's get one thing straight right away. The stakes here are, well, they're pretty high. This isn't just some fun new gadget. Being good at using AI, it's quickly becoming a must-have career skill. I mean, this is the kind of thing that could literally define the next decade of work.
I mean, just to put this into perspective, think about ChatGPT. It exploded, hitting over 100 million users in just 2 months. That's the fastest growing app in history, by a long shot. So yeah, this isn't just some passing trend. It's a massive shift in how we do, well, everything.
So the big question is, how do you get that edge? Well, it's simpler than you think. It all comes down to mastering the art of the conversation with AI. And that's exactly what we're going to break down right now, to give you a real advantage at work and, in your everyday life.
Okay, so here's the secret sauce, the thing that most people totally miss. The real power? It isn't actually in the AI itself, it's in you. The magic is all about the art of the prompt, how you ask the AI for things. That's everything. It's the key to getting those mind-blowing results.
And you know what the best part is? This is not some complicated technical skill. Nope. It all boils down to a really simple but super powerful 3-step framework. First, assign an identity. Second, define your objective. And third, refine iteratively. Let's break down what each of those actually means.
Okay, step 1, assign an identity. Think of it this way, right? You wouldn't ask a random stranger on the street for expert medical advice, would you? Of course not. It's the exact same idea with AI. You have to tell it who to be. Tell it, act like an expert nutritionist, or you are a senior copywriter. When you do that, you're setting it up to give you much, much better answers.
All right, step 2, define your objective. And you've got to be super specific here. If you give it a vague, fuzzy request, guess what? You're going to get a vague, fuzzy, totally generic result. But when you give it specific goals, context, details, any limitations, that's when you unlock the really amazing personalized stuff. The details are everything.
And last but not least, step 3. Refine, refine, refine. This one is so important because you have to remember it's a conversation. It's not a search bar where you type something once and you're done. The AI remembers what you just said, so you can build on it. Ask for changes, add new details, ask it to put it in a different format. You just keep tweaking.
Okay, so theory is one thing, but let's see how this actually works in the real world. We're going to do a quick demonstration to show you how to take a prompt from kind of meh and vague to something incredibly powerful and useful.
Okay, look at this. This is the perfect example. On the left, you've got your typical lazy prompt. Create a healthy meal plan. Fine. But on the right, that's a power prompt. See what's happening? It assigns an identity, expert nutritionist. It defines the user, 34-year-old fit male, and it sets really clear goals. Lose weight while increasing muscle mass. The difference in what you're asking for is just night and day.
And so what happened? What did we get back? Well, that power prompt gave us a plan with specific calorie counts, higher protein, workouts that were actually focused on strength, and here's the really cool part. It explained why it was making those choices. It gave the reasoning behind it all. That's what you get when you're specific.
But hold on, we're not even done yet. This is where step 3 comes in, the refinement. You can just follow up and say, okay, great, now change it. I'm lactose intolerant, I only have access to bodyweight exercises, and oh, by the way, make me a shopping list. And just like that, in a few seconds, that already great plan becomes a perfect plan, tailored just for you.
So now that you see how it works, let's talk about how this simple framework can be an absolute game changer. And I mean for everything, your job, your personal life, because this technique isn't just for making fitness plans. You can apply this to pretty much anything. Just look at some of these examples. For work, you can get help drafting emails, writing and fixing code, brainstorming ideas, summarizing huge articles, you name it. And at home, get recipes based on what's in your fridge, find new books or music you'll actually like, plan your meals. I mean, seriously, the list just goes on and on.
And here's another pro tip. It's not just about the content. You also have total control over the tone and the format. This is another one of those little refinement tricks that can save you so much time. You can ask it to sound formal or casual or funny. You can ask for the answer as a simple list, a detailed table, even a poem if you really want.
Here's a classic one. Let's say you're trying to understand something really complicated. Just tell the AI, explain this to me like I'm 5 years old. It is an amazing way to cut through all the jargon and get to the core of an idea. It just makes complex stuff super simple.
Or maybe you need to make some writing a little more interesting. You can literally just say, add some humor or sarcasm to this. It can take a boring, dry email and make it way more engaging. Just, maybe be careful using that one with your boss.
And what if you're just staring at a giant wall of text? Don't even worry about it. Just tell the AI, format this as a table with bullet points. It instantly takes all that messy information and makes it clean, organized, and way easier to understand.
Okay, we're coming to our final point, and honestly, this might be the most important one of all. We have to talk about the golden rule of using AI. You have to remember it's an incredible tool, but it's not an all-knowing oracle.
And this is so important to remember. AI is amazing. It can save you a ton of time, it can spark your creativity, but it is not perfect. It's a tool. It doesn't actually understand things the way a human does. It doesn't have real judgment. And that's where you come in.
See, the ultimate power is still in your hands. The real key to success is using your own brain. Use your judgment. Know when you need to double-check the facts. And take the insights the AI gives you and apply them thoughtfully. At the end of the day, you're the one in the driver's seat.
So there you have it. You now have the simple framework to unlock the full power of AI. Your new super smart assistant is ready and waiting. So the only question left is, what are you going to ask it first?